Alrighty, hey guys, we have a southbound UP train coming, so here we go. It should be going down any second. Gates are going down. Here it comes, guys. Don't know what track he's taking. Don't know if it's the one or the two. He's going to. We're gonna have UP. $59.06, 82.54, and 54.68. Got a cool looking rain car right here covered in the graffiti. That's sick. Pretty sure the only reason he's going down the 2 track is because we have something coming up the main track. And we do have intermodal freight, so this would be the UP and MKT, nice. This would be the MRV WCX extra bound to West Colton manifest. We definitely have something coming down the main track. He's going a lot slower. We have units on the end. Looks like a Tier 4 AH and a 70M. Nice. Or that's a technicality of AH. Hard to tell at the moment. Nope, Tier 4 AH and a 70M. Yep, I see headlights of a northbound coming in. So we definitely have that. Oh no, Ace, UP Ace, 8550. And UP 3888, nice. We definitely got a train coming in. Down there, subscribe, peace out.